So today we are going to talk about everyday issues and also real world issue. We will talk about one real world issue and we will talk about everyday issues. Okay. So in this you can express your thoughts and opinion in English. So let's start with a warm up. This is the same game we have played before. Uh, Word association. इसमें I'll say a word related to daily topics and you respond with the first word that comes to your mind. Okay? तो पहले हमने किया था इसी चीज को यहाँ पे भी आपको करना है कि जो भी मैं आपको एक वर्ड बोलूंगी उसके रिलेटेड आपके माइंड में जो भी आता है यू विल say that particular word. Okay, so first word is Adia.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, एक मिनट. I'm not able to hear you guys. Yeah. Now can you speak? School. Adia.
Yes, ma'am. Um, wildlife.
Sorry.
Wildlife. इसको इससे मिलाना है ना इसमें जो साइड वाला है.
No, 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 no. You don't have to match them. जो भी आपके मन में जो वर्ड आता है इस वर्ड को सुन के यू विल से दैट वर्ड. हमने ये वाली गेम पहले भी खेली है. फिर जैसे स्कूल है, स्कूल को अगर सोचते तो क्या दिमाग में आता है आपके, वो आपको बोलना है. ठीक है. ओके शाज़िया, यू टेल मी.
School, teacher,
Happy.
students, bag, blackboard.
ओके, ग्रेट. ओके सिफत, स्कूल.
Friends,
फ्रेंड्स.
teacher, teacher,
टीचर्स.
student,
स्टूडेंट्स.
children.
चिल्ड्रन. गुड. हादिया.
Yes, ma'am. School से happy memories.
हैप्पी मैम.
Last bench.
लास्ट बेंच. या ऑफ
Yes,
कोर्स.
ma'am. Blackboard.
ब्लैकबोर्ड. गुड. ओके.
Ma'am, backbencher.
सॉरी, बैक बेंचर्स. यस. शाजिया, फूड.
Food, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
ब्रेकफास्ट, डिनर. गुड. सिफत.
मैम फूड का नाम भी बोल सकते हैं.
फूड वर्ड को सुन के जो भी आपके दिमाग में आता है वो बोलिए आप.
Dinner,
ओके. एंड एनीथिंग एल्स दैट comes to your mind.
no ma'am. Biryani, tandoori.
The first thing came into my mind that was biryani. Hadia.
Yes, ma'am.
Momos,
Pizza, golgappe,
Pizza,
momos.
golgappe, yes.
momos.
Momos,
Yes, Maggie,
yes. Maggie.
yippee.
Okay, family, Shazia.
Family, child, husband,
Child, husband,
father, parents.
father, parents. Good. Sifat.
Brother and sister fighting.
Fighting. Okay.
Mother
Had.
and father.
Sorry.
Mother and father.
Mother and father. Okay. Hadia.
Yes, ma'am. Um, Family, responsibility, mother, father, sister, brother.
Okay.
Yes.
Shazia. Exercise.
Exercise, fitness, health, healthy,
Okay.
and
Sif.
excuse also.
Okay.
Exercise means excuse. आज नहीं हुआ
Yes.
कल होगा.
I make so many excuses. Like I don't have time. I can't do
Yes.
it. थक जाऊंगी.
I was
Energy नहीं
feeling
बचेगी.
sleepy.
Yes. This always happen with me. Sifat. Exercise.
skipping,
Skipping.
walking,
Walking. And
healthy.
hello. Healthy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hadia. Exercise.
Healthy, running, yoga.
Yoga. Good. Shaista. What word comes to your mind when you hear exercise word? Say that word.
Yoga, running.
Yoga, running. Okay. Good. Okay, Shazia, sleep.
Insomnia.
Insomnia. Okay.
Fatigue.
Fatigue. So your sleep is not that good, that means, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sifat, sleep.
Early,
Early. Great.
late,
Late. Okay. On Saturdays.
yes, ma'am.
Hadia, sleep.
Bed.
Bed. Good. Shaista, sleep.
Late.
Late. Okay, that means you sleep late, right? This is the same game they play in ZNMD. Have you watched ZNMD? Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Have you watched it ever?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
So in
Zindagi na
that,
milegi dobara.
yes, in that the what is the name of that character? Kabir. Yes, Kabir plays that game with Arjun and Farhan. फरहान का जो कैरेक्टर होता है वो सो यस वो सिर्फ एक वर्ड बोलता है एंड जो फर्स्ट वर्ड कम्स टू योर माइंड यू फील दैट थिंग अबाउट दैट लाइक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक तो यहाँ पे वी कैन टेल सो मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट कि अगर वो बंदा एक वर्ड बोल रहा है तो उससे आपको पता चल रहा है कि उसके बारे में उस चीज के लिए रिलेटेड उसकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है राइट जैसे शाजिया ने बोला इंसोम्निया फटीग दैट मीन्स हर स्लीप इज नॉट दैट गुड सिफत she thinks about like I'll have to sleep early or late and Hadia whenever she thinks about sleep she just pictures bed and Shaista sleeps late right so like this we can tell so much about the person with just one word right okay Shazia friends
One tiffin box, five hands.
sorry
Memories.
memory okay
Yes. Five hands? One tiffin box, five hands.
Sifat friends
Bunk the class, bunk the class with friend,
okay bunk the class with friends have you ever
backbencher.
bunked
Yes, ma'am.
wow I have never done this thing ever मेरे में इतनी
Ma'am, your voice not coming.
Am I audible now? Something really wrong with my headphones. I don't know why this is happening.
that old मैंने अभी अभी परचेज किए थे 3 months पहले
Ma'am, last roast friend,
यस फ्रेंड्स क्या बोला आपने
roast friends,
रोस्ट फ्रेंड्स गुड हादिया फ्रेंड्स
College, party, late nights.
यस गुड शाइस्ता फ्रेंड्स
Old. Happiness.
हैप्पीनेस गुड
All friends.
all friends okay Shazia, climate.
Weather. Weather
Mm.
changes.
Weather changes. Good. Sifat, climate.
Raining.
Raining. Hadia, climate.
Mm, global warming.
Global warming. Good. Shaista, climate.
Hot.
Hot. Okay. Shazia, pollution.
Water pollution.
Water pollution. Good. Sifat, pollution.
Burning of coal.
Burning a coal. Good. Hadia, pollution.
Um, Air pollution, cough, uh, suffocation, yeah,
Suffocation.
breathlessness.
Mm-hmm. Good. Shaista, pollution. Shaista, are you there? Shazia, poverty.
Child's labor.
Child labor. Okay. Sifat, poverty.
They couldn't able to fill basic need.
Only one word.
Not able to fill basic
L-
need.
Lack of basic needs, you can say.
Yes, ma'am. Lack of basic need.
Very good. Hadia, poverty.
Struggle,
Struggle.
homelessness.
Homelessness. Good. Shaista, poverty. Where is she? Shazia, water.
Water life.
Life.
Bathing, washing.
Okay. Good. Sifat, water.
Energy.
Energy. Good. Hadia, water.
Hydration.
Hydration. Good. Shaista, water. Is she even there or what? Okay, let it be. Energy. Shazia.
Toddlers.
Toddlers. Wow. Sifat, energy.
Drink milk.
Drink milk. Good. Hadia, energy.
Night. Ma'am,
Sorry.
पता नहीं night. I feel energetic in night.
Acha, you feel energetic in night.
Yes,
Wow.
ma'am. Don't
You're
know
a
why.
night person.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Shazia. Wildlife.
Photography.
Photography. Okay. Sifat,
Wildlife sanctuary.
sanctuaries. Very good. It says sanctuaries. Ko would be pronounced. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hadia, wildlife.
Camping.
Camping. Good. Good job, guys. Now, what are everyday issues? So, everyday issues are things that impact us regularly and that we may even talk about with family and friends. हमारे जो everyday issue होते हैं वो हमारी लाइफ में रेगुलरली इम्पैक्ट करते हैं, वो इशू होते हैं, राइट? और उसके बारे में हम हमारे फैमिली और फ्रेंड से बातचीत भी करते हैं। वो वाले सारे इशू होते हैं। सो विल डिस्कस सम ऑफ दिस सिंपल बट इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक्स एंड लर्न टू एक्सप्रेस आवर थॉट्स ऑन दैट। ओके, जैसे एग्जाम्पल है, हेल्दी ईटिंग के बारे में हो गया, स्कूल वर्क, फैमिली टाइम, स्टेइंग एक्टिव, इस तरीके के जो है एवरीडे इशू। कौन कौन से फ्रेजेस आप यूज कर सकते हो इन द ग्रुप डिस्कशन? सो यू कैन यूज इन माय ओपिनियन, लाइक इफ यू आर गिविंग योर ओपिनियन you will start with this phrase, in my opinion this and that, whatever you want to say, right? I think that, again, this is the your opinion, you're saying your opinion about this. Okay, I think that, like, this is issue of this, you can say anything after that. And if you agree or disagree on something, so you will say, I agree because, or I disagree because, state the reason here. And if you don't understand anything, you can ask the other person, can you explain more? Okay. And if you like the idea of the other person, you can say that's an interesting idea. So ये सारे phrases है, 5 phrases मैंने लिखे हैं, you can use them. Now the first discussion topic is healthy eating. So first, my question is, why do you think healthy eating is important? अब यहाँ पे आपको डिस्कशन करनी है एज अ ग्रुप, ठीक है, बिकॉज यू गाइज आर जस्ट 3, so I'm not like dividing you. You will just discuss here as a whole group, ठीक है. You will talk about this issue. Okay, why do you think healthy eating is important? One person will start, and एक sentence finish होगा. If the other person want to say something, they will state their opinion after that sentence, ठीक है. तो इस तरीके से, और जो मैंने phrases सिखाए हैं, you can use them also. So my first question is, why do you think healthy eating is important? Start.
Yes, ma'am. I'll start.
Okay.
In my opinion, uh, uh, when you eat healthy, they reduce a chronic diseases risk. Uh, Balanced diet um helps, uh, prevent conditions like BP, sugar,
Mm-hmm.
etc., etc.,
Yeah,
and supports healthy weight
healthy weight.
and
Good.
boost energy,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, improve your mood also. When you
Yeah,
eat healthy, they improve your mood
that
also.
improves your mood, right?
Yeah.
Good. Anyone wants to say something about this? Just speak it out. Just unmute your mic and just speak it out, everyone. Don't mute.
I think, in my opinion, it helps to provide energy.
Hmm?
If we eat healthy, we can function properly.
Yeah, of course. And like, we can gain energy from the unhealthy foods also, but unhealthy foods, gives us like many diseases. Unlike healthy eating, like it gives us only nutrients and energy, the good energy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Sifat, do you want to say something about this?
think my opinion, healthy food is very important to disease free your body,
तुम आ नहीं रहे हो ना?
For disease free body.
दो
free
बार आए।
body, and it help to grow functionally,
Okay.
and it also help to eat green vegetable,
Yeah.
to healthy diet.
Okay, great. Good job. Now, what are some healthy foods you like? What are some healthy foods you like? Tell me.
My son is saying puchka for me.
Is that healthy?
Is it healthy or what? Is it healthy, Ahad? He knows na I love puchka.
My daughter loves pani puri, puchka. Whenever she hears pani puri, I want pani puri. That much she loves. Okay, tell me, what are some healthy foods you like,
For
guys?
me, oats is healthy and time consuming. Means it cooks very fast and it's healthy.
Yeah,
I like to eat overnight oats.
overnight oats. Yes. Do you eat it with milk or yogurt?
Curd. Yes, ma'am. Yogurt.
So is it like, does it taste nice? I have only
Yes, ma'am. It
eaten
tastes nice.
with milk only till date. So
Oh,
that's why I'm
you
asking.
can try with yogurt also.
So should I just, put the oats in the curd or should I add some water also?
Little bit of water is needed, ma'am.
Okay, so it will become dry or it will become mushy?
Yeah, mushy, ma'am.
Mushy, okay. Let's see, I'll try.
Top
See,
it with some bananas or chia seeds and all.
yeah, chia seeds I had also added, but I have only eaten with milk only. So I did not like the texture and taste, so I just don't eat it now. Okay,
Okay.
Sifat, tell me what are some healthy foods you like?
I like bitter gourd.
Is it healthy? Do you drink bitter gourd juice?
No, ma'am.
That one is healthy. But you're frying it, the bitter gourd, then it's not healthy, okay?
I also drink वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं मैम नीम का जूस.
Um, curry leaves juice.
Curry leaf juice.
Yes.
And I also try to drink in morning.
Okay. That's interesting. Is it bitter? Of course,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
bitter. I have never tried karele ka juice and this curry leaves juice. I have never because I just like right now I can smell that thing. कि ना मुझे उल्टी हो जाएगी उस चीज से. I have
First
that
time
much
I
gag reflux.
drank, then vomiting start. But
Yes.
nowadays, habits, then
Okay, that's great. Hadia, what are some healthy foods you like?
Yes, ma'am. Over soaked almonds and walnuts.
Overnight soaked almonds, right?
Yes, ma'am. And
And
walnuts. Also. Walnuts.
walnuts. Okay. Then anything else?
And ma'am, in my daily lifestyle, इसके अलावा मैं कुछ नहीं लेती हूँ. And yeah, in night, 1 glass milk.
1 glass of milk. Wow. So do you take any protein rich food or what? Do you eat? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you take any protein in your diet?
Yes, ma'am. Sometime.
What do you eat?
Chicken, egg.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You should always eat protein. It should not be sometimes, okay?
Yes, ma'am. But I have issues of appetite, so that's why I'm not.
Being a doctor,
Yes,
this
yes.
thing is
That's why
not
I'm not.
suiting you.
Yes, that's why I'm not uh, telling you.
I don't tell anyone, right?
Yes.
Okay. Last question is, what's the one change you could make to eat healthier? What's one change you could make to eat healthier? कौन सा एक चेंज आपकी एक डाइट में लाना चाहोगे जिससे आप और ज्यादा हेल्दी खा सको?
I think I will swap refined oil. Refined
With
food also.
with what?
With healthy like ghee, desi ghee, whole grains.
Whole grains. Do you eat refined flour also in your regular diet?
No, no, no. Refined oil.
Refined oil. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
I also eat refined oil, but I have heard that sunflower oil is like better option if you want to choose among refined oil. So I eat that, and for healthier
Groundnut
option,
oil is also good, ma'am. Mustard oil.
mustard oil. Yes, mustard oil's taste like
In
no one likes
Bengali,
here.
in Bengal, mustard oil is must compulsory.
Yes, I have heard. In
They
UP
cook
also.
fish in mustard oil.
In UP also I have heard this because my mama's neighbor is from UP, Lucknow, and she adds like mustard oil in every dish. So I have heard about this. That is healthier option, I think, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay, Sifat, what's one change you could make to eat healthier?
Avoid, मैम उसका क्या बोलेंगे तली वाली चीज को?
Fried food,
Fried food.
fried foods.
Fried foods, just like pakoras.
Don't eat them in Ramzan then, okay?
My sister also make pakoras. Without pakora, he never eat
Like it
roza.
Ramzan is incomplete without
incomplete.
pakoras.
Yes,
Yes.
iftar is incomplete. But you guys know why this happens? Why we always crave for oily food when we become hungry? What is the reason behind that? Do you know about that?
You make the puchka. No, ma'am.
Uh, एक minute, let me mute you, Sifat. There is a one reason why we feel like so much craving of oily food or sugary food. Because when we starve ourselves, जब हम भूखे रहते हैं, अपने आप को भूखा रखते हैं जानबूझ के, तो हमारी बॉडी जो है ना इवॉल्व हुई है। जैसे हमारे जो एंसेस्टर थे, देवर हंटर एंड गैदरर, राइट? सो व्हाट डू दे डू कि वो लोग जो है जितना भी खाना मिलता था, दे यूज टू गैदर इट, जैसे शिकार करते थे, एंड दे यूज टू गेट द फूड लाइक दैट ओनली, राइट? देयर वाज नो एग्रीकल्चर बैक देन. So what would happen कि they used to collect the food and they used to eat like how much they can eat, okay, so that they can gain energy for the future hunting and gathering. So क्या होता था कि उसके बाद they did not used to get that much food, ऐसा गैप आ जाता था। तो हमारी बॉडी उस तरीके से इवॉल्व हुई है। सो व्हाट डू वी डू व्हेन वी स्टार आवरसेल्फ? तो जब भी हम को खाना दिखता है तो सबसे पहले हमारी नजर जो है ना कैलोरी रिच फूड पे पड़ती है, जिससे हमको ज्यादा से ज्यादा कैलोरी मिल सके। तो हमारी बॉडी है ना, हमारा ब्रेन को सिग्नल देती है कि सबसे पहले ज्यादा कैलोरी वाला फूड खा। तो मतलब बॉडी को लगता है कि हमको खाना मिलेगा ही नहीं इसके बाद, ठीक है? हमारी बॉडी इतना फ्रस्ट्रेट हो जाती है हम जब भूखे रहते हैं, तो उसको लगता है कि खाना मिलने ही नहीं वाला, तो जितना खा सको खा लो। So it will just we will just grab anything that will be calorie rich food. तो उसमें है ना शुगरी फूड भी आ जाता है कैलोरी रिच में, और ज्यादातर ऑयली फूड जो है उसको देख के मुंह में पानी आ जाता है जब भी हम भूखे होते हैं। तो वो हमारा ब्रेन का सिग्नल होता है कि ये चीज खा लो, दिस इज कैलोरी डेंस फूड, इससे तुमको बहुत सारी कैलोरी, बहुत सारी एनर्जी मिल जाएगी, ठीक है? तो इस तरीके से इवॉल्व, पर अभी तो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, राइट? के वी विल गेट द फूड आफ्टरवर्ड्स, बट हमारे ब्रेन को है ना अभी तक वो समझ में नहीं आया कि भाई खाना मिल जाएगा, जस्ट टेक अ चिल पिल। तो इस तरीके से ना वी जस्ट क्रेव फॉर ऑयली थिंग और कैलोरी डेंस फूड। जब भी हम पिज्जा को देखते हैं, वो जो चीज मेल्ट होती है उसको देखते, देयर इज नथिंग एनी अट्रैक्टिव अबाउट दैट थिंग, बट स्टिल वी विल क्रेव फॉर दैट थिंग। अगर हम देखने जाए तो पिज्जा इट्स नॉट दैट टेस्टी, बट that is calorie rich food, that's why we crave for it. So that was the science behind it. That's why we crave for oily food and junk food also. Okay, Hadia, tell me what's one change you could make to eat healthier?
Um, drink plenty of water and drink
Yeah,
and eat fruits.
yes. Drinking so much water can help you eat less food also. अगर आपका पेट
Yes,
भरा
ma'am.
हुआ है विद वाटर, देन यू विल क्रेव फॉर फूड लाइक लेस। जब
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
भूख लग, मतलब पेट खाली है, पेट में कुछ होना चाहिए, तो पानी डालो या खाना डालो, इट वुड बी द सेम। सो अगर पानी ज्यादा डालते हो तो यू विल फील लेस हंग्री, दैट्स
Yes,
द
ma'am.
थिंग।
It's control overeating.
Yeah, it controls overeating. Very good. Okay, discussion topic 2 is spending time with family. Okay. So first question is, how do you like to spend time with your family? Tell me. Who is going to start? How do you like to spend time with your family?
I like to spend time with my family outside, not in home.
Outside? Because you live in joint family?
Yes, ma'am. I want one weekend outside.
Your son wants puchka, just give him one. Okay, that's great. Sifat, how do you like to spend time with your family?
With talking and making some delicious food to help it,
Okay. Okay.
and then eating for fighting brother and sister.
Okay, yes. For like late night cravings. Okay, तू इतना मत खाना मेरा ये. And
Yes,
when like we used to live together, so what do we do? Like at 12 o'clock, at 1 o'clock, we used to crave for something. कुछ खाना है. तो we used to make Maggie and we used to make pizza क्योंकि pizza base पड़ा हुआ होता था in the fridge. So we used to make that and फिर used to like divide it in equal portion. किसी को ज्यादा ना मिल जाए. We used to
yes, ma'am.
measure it कि भाई तेरे को ज्यादा मिल गया चलो मुझे एक बाइट दो. ऐसा होता था. It was really golden period of like if you are living with your sibling, just enjoy that time. But when you will get separated, you will miss that time a lot. I must
Yes,
say.
ma'am.
Hadia, how do you like to spend time with your family?
Yes, ma'am. Same as Shazia. I want to spend my family time outside because I'm also in a joint family.
Joint family.
Yes.
Okay. But you are in a like you're not married. So
Yeah, but
but you have
uh,
dadi and that like
yeah.
chachi.
Chacha, chachi,
Okay,
phuphi.
okay. So you live in that big family?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. I have never lived in joint family, like from my childhood only. I have only lived with my mother and father. So right now I also live in nuclear family. Okay, Shazia, do you think it's important to spend time together and why? Shazia, do you think it's time important to spend time together and why?
Yes, it's important to spend time together because it will attract. क्या बोलते हैं मैम? Join रखते हैं.
It makes us
Attract with
together.
each other. Yeah,
It makes us
and it will.
together.
Yes, ma'am, and it's boost confidence.
Yeah,
Spending time with children is
yeah,
is fun.
it's fun, right? It uh makes our bond strong with the family.
Yes, ma'am. I think spending time with children is more important than spending money on
Yeah,
children.
yes,
Oh, oh,
yeah.
Ahad, you are
Wow,
disturbing.
that's the good quote you have just said. Like spending
I
time
saw
with.
it on Instagram
Okay,
in any
I'll have to
pages.
write it. That's really interesting quote. Sometimes
Yes,
what happen, we just earn some money for our children. Okay, we can give them like good life, the best life we can give. But in that, we just miss the opportunity to spend time with them.
yes,
So I always try to spend like as much time I can spend with her, because I don't have that much work right now, because I just take only 2 batches. And one of not my friend, she came to me through the Instagram and she told me that please make me some lesson plans. I want to start my own English class and all. So I told her, yes, I can help you. But then I realized that if I am doing that, how will I spend time with my daughter? Because earning money is only for my daughter. So I just told her, okay, I'm doing this, like abhi tak main kar dungi. Then I'll just stop making plan. Just make it for yourself. So
एक्चुअली
yes,
मैम मैं भी एक स्टोरी शेयर करना चाहती हूँ।
tell me.
मैं जब मेकअप आर्टिस्ट का कोर्स कर रही थी तो जो सिखा रही थी उसने कहा था कि खुद की बहन क्यों ना हो बट तुमने जो सीखा है वो तुम तक ही रखना। तुम
Okay,
नॉलेज खुद मतलब क्या होता है ना वो पैसे से तुम सीख रही हो फिर तुम फ्री में सिखाओगी ये तो तुम्हारे लिए लॉस हो जाएगा।
loss हो जाएगा. Yes. Yeah, that is all the also a thing. Like you are telling me not to give like my thing to someone, right?
या बट मैम आपको सिखाना चाहिए कि आप ऐसे करो मैं प्रोवाइड आप मुझे प्रोवाइड करो नॉलेज के लिए
Hmm.
लाइक दैट।
I told her this, कि भाई you can make it. That is not that hard. That is not rocket science. You can make it on Canva. Canva is like itself a creative platform. You can make anything on
यस
that.
मैम या
So
100%।
she told me that I have a like sass and Susan. She told me her story, and मैं पिघल गई. You know.
बट मैम मैंने किया है कैनवा में मेरी एक फैशन डिजाइनर फ्रेंड है उसके लिए लोगो डिजाइन
Yes.
और विजिटिंग कार्ड्स स्टिकर्स ये मैंने उनको
Yes.
करके दिया क्योंकि मैं फ्री
मेरी
थी।
मेरी फ्रेंड है ना, शी इज द एडमिन ऑफ हकीकत जिंदगी। सो उनका जो उन्होंने अब एक बिजनेस शुरू किया था लास्ट ईयर, अल हयात क्रिएशन नाम से। सो आई मेड ऑल द थिंग्स, लोगोज ऑन कैनवा।
यस
Logos है, visiting cards, so that is really useful platform, and that is easy. It's not that hard on this. Like you can get
नो
so many materials. So I make this PPT on Canva itself. Canva पे ही बनाती, because like I am getting so many themes on that, right? So I just
यस
can
मैम
change the writings, and if I want to add something according to my topic, I can
मैम अभी
like
तो वो
search for
बिजनेस
it.
हो रही है लाइक कैनवा से पैसे कमा रहे हैं लोग।
Yes, I
मतलब
have
ग्राफिक
also seen
डिजाइनर
many
जो होते हैं ना साइबर कैफे पे वो कैनवा ही यूज करते हैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर।
graphic designer. Okay, but some like किसी को अगर पता हो तो they can also start this thing, being a graphic
यस
designer.
जाओगे।
Okay, tell me, Sifat, do you think it's important to spend time together, and why?
Yes, ma'am. Because to speak with family, to give a own choice, to speak with her family and to her opinion, to speak her opinion that things make bond with your
Bond.
family, bond with your family and enjoy time. This is very precious for you, for me.
Yeah,
Sorry.
of course. Good. Hadia, do you think it's important to spend time together, and why?
Yes, ma'am. Because spending time with loved ones, they can help reduce the stress, anxiety, tension,
Mm-hmm.
and yes, when you you know spend time with each other, uh, uh, we share experiences and creating memories.
Hmm. Of
Yeah,
course.
and they support us, guidance, comfort, and encouragement. They encourage us.
Encourages. Very good. Good job. Sometimes I think we have back of our family, right? Like
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can say anything to our family, like our sister. And when I see my khalas, masis, why they are like this? Why they are not that much bound with my mother? I think that क्यों ऐसा होता है कि like will we become like this in future?
No, ma'am.
I always think this thing कि मेरी मासी मतलब I have 5 मासीज, खाला 5 है मेरी, and they always, like, my mother was married in a like poor family. My father was not that well off at that time, so they used to think of us very less. Whenever we used to go to our nani's house, they used to think of us very like we are not that well off, we cannot uh, get anything in our life, and we cannot achieve anything in our life. So they used to do this thing. So मेरी बहन अगर ऐसी फैमिली में अ, अगर ऐसी फैमिली हो भी, अगर अच्छी फैमिली है और पुअर हो गई, तो मैं तो कभी भी ऐसा नहीं करूंगी अपनी बहन के साथ. आई ऑलवेज सपोर्ट हर इन दैट मैटर, एंड शी हैज ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड मी इन दिस मैटर. So I always think that why this is happening, why my masis were like this. Like, do your masis do this, or is it just mine? Like, do they change after certain time?
No, ma'am. I have only one khala,
You
and she
have
is
only
very good.
one khala. Okay.
I
So
have 3 and they are nice.
they are nice. So
Yes.
that is only my case then, because my masis are also like that, and my mamas, only one mama actually is like that. So I think this thing also. Okay, is my brother going to turn into that mama मेरी बेटी के लिए? So this thing comes to my mind कि अगर family ही everything है
Ma'am, I
तो
think mama's changes.
after marriage,
Yeah, 100%.
yes, that is the thing. Because मेरा मामा तो कंस मामा है. Okay, Hadia, your turn is. I think you have told, right, this thing. बोल दिया ना ये? Do you
Yes,
think it's
ma'am.
important? Okay, Shazia. What activities does your family enjoy together?
We usually go outside. We do shopping. We go to the malls. We play there in a play zone area.
Yeah, I also enjoy this thing. Wow. Sifat, what activities does your family enjoy together?
When I play with my brother and I share with my sister whole story in my school, and me and my brother make some delicious food, but not better.
What do you make?
Me and my brother make roti,
Roti. Wow.
but my brother roti was perfect, but my roti make look like a India and Pakistan border.
Wow. Good.
Then everyone very laughing.
In your family, does your father and brother help like your sister and you and your mother?
Yes.
Wow. That's the thing. That's the same thing in my family too, because I have always seen this thing. My father used to always help me, my mother, and my brother knows how to cook. Like, he cooks better than me. And like, my sister, she doesn't know how to cook like so many dishes. She just know few dishes. But my brother knows like every biryani, dosa. He knows how to cook this kind of things. So I have always seen this thing. So when I saw that movie Mrs., so that thing happened with me when I came to my in-laws house. Like, the same scenario was in my in-laws house too. Like, the mard jo hai, the gentlemen, they don't help in their household chores, and they think that this is the very less thing the woman do. तो मैंने सोचा कि this is my like everyone is thinking like this is my story, this is my story. So yes, I was curious. Tell me, Hadia and Shazia, in your household.
Yes, ma'am. My amma suffer a lot because it is in
Okay.
joint family. तो उन्होंने
Yes.
बहुत सहा है ये सारी चीजें, क्योंकि वो थी शहर से और उनकी शादी यहाँ गांव में हो गई थी। तो
Okay.
यस मैम, उस टाइम पे गांव में ना वो होते थे, उसको बोलते हैं नल। तो
आ,
जैसे
इसको
मम्मी,
बोलते हैं, वो बोलते हैं
नल
दैट
वाला जो पंप होता है ना, हाथ से जो
टंकी।
करते हैं। नहीं मैम,
टंकी।
टंकी अलग होती है, वो नल होता है जो हाथ से चलाते हैं।
हाँ, उसको डंकी बोलते हैं, यहाँ पे
अच्छा
गुजराती में
अच्छा।
डंकी बोलते हैं।
अच्छा, तो अब अम्मा मतलब मम्मा की उस टाइम पे मम्मा ने शायद ग्रेजुएशन किया था, तब उनकी शादी हो गई थी। तो फिर जैसे वो हेल्प के लिए बोलती थी डैडी को, तो सब लोग बोलते थे कि डैडी को कि मतलब वो जोरू के गुलाम है कुछ टाइप से।
या दैट थिंग हैपेंस व्हेन दे सी के मर्द काम कर रहा है तो जोरू का गुलाम हो गया। वाह। शाजिया, इन योर हाउस डज दिस हैपन?
ओ मैम,
Like, does your husband help you?
not really because he stays in work only,
He stays in
so I'm
work
far
only.
from. Yeah.
Okay, okay. That is a also like that is the one thing ke if they are earning and doing hard work for us, then we can provide them whatever we can do, like whatever the best we can do. But some men are not that hard working. So वो सब पे नहीं होता है कि भाई, कुछ लोग तो ऐसे ऐसे होते हैं ना, जस्ट दे आर जस्ट सिटिंग इन देयर होम एंड दे विल नॉट हेल्प देयर वुमेन। ये ऐसा भी
हाँ,
देखा
मैं
है मैंने।
बोलूँ, मैं देखती हूँ इन लॉज में, इन लोग है जमाती, बट औरतों को मीन्स क्या होता है ना, जो बोलते हैं हमारे सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के सुन्नत पे चलो, बट सुन्नत मेरे को नहीं लगता है यहाँ पे,
कोई नहीं
क्योंकि
रखता।
यहाँ बहुत ज्यादा जिम्मेदारी दे देते हैं।
सुन्नत में चलने में इनको चार बीवियां नजर आती है, लेकिन बीवी को कैसे ट्रीट करना है वो नजर नहीं आता।
यस मैम।
That was a good conversation with you guys. This is the last discussion topic. So this is not everyday issue. This is real world issue. Okay. This is about water conservation. वाटर कंजर्वेशन का मतलब होता है कि पानी को हम सेव करके जमा रखे, बचत करें पानी की, ठीक है, उसके बारे में। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट टू सेव वाटर? हु इज गोइंग टू टेल मी दिस, or just start the discussion if you want to? Why is it important to save water?
To save underground water, to maintain water level, underground water level.
Okay.
That's why it's important.
Okay. But what is the importance of water? Why is it important to save it?
Because we couldn't save it, then our life was found dead.
Sorry, I did not understand.
मतलब अगर हम, if I couldn't save water,
If we
then
don't
life
save
was,
water,
if you don't save water, life will be ended
yes, life will be ended. Good.
because
Okay.
life depends upon water.
Water is life.
Or
Life is water.
water is life. Yes.
Okay. Uh, anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Saving water, it is contribute for the future. It is support us for both people and the plant.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, um, like climate change के लिए,
For saving the climate change.
for saving climate change, and Supporting public health.
That is also correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Shazia, why is it important to save water? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I think it sorry.
Sorry?
1 minute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It is important to save water because uh, if we flow water in what we say, इससे ज्यादा पानी अगर बहा दिया तो बाद में तो यूज नहीं कर पाएंगे ना और फिर प्रॉब्लम होगी.
If we waste water, we cannot use it afterwards, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And why is it important? Why the water is important?
Because it helps in many factor.
Okay.
Without water, no life can survive.
Yes. Our body is made of
Water,
70% water, right?
70% of water. Yeah.
Okay. The next question is, how do you conserve water at home? How do you conserve water at home?
We fill the tank,
Fill the tank. Okay.
bucket. We fill the bucket, washing machine to wash
Okay.
our clothes.
Okay. And how do you save it? Like, how do you save it from wasting?
We use little
Limited
amount of
use, limited use.
Limited use. Okay.
we use limited.
Yeah.
And collect rainwater.
Collect
Yeah.
rainwater. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And
Using a
when
bucket
you
instead of a direct shower.
Do you save the RO water waste like when that water comes out in that small pipe?
Room.
Do you save it
yes, ma'am, for plants.
for plants?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And
For
turn off the
cleaning room.
For cleaning the room also. Yes. We can wash our clothes with that also.
Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And do you think people are aware of the importance of water conservation?
uh,
No.
No,
No.
ma'am.
So how can we
Conserve
make them
water.
aware about this issue? Like, should there be any activity or any practice to make them aware about this importance of water, like we do in the Ramzan? Like
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
we
ma'am.
just realize the importance of water in Ramzan itself, right?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much water is important for ourselves. When we
Yes, ma'am.
don't drink it like the whole
Yes,
day,
ma'am.
we realize the importance of water. So I think everyone should practice this thing like someday, just for the awareness of importance of water, right? So that they can realize how important is that thing for our life, because our body is made of water 70%. So you can realize pani ke bina we cannot live.
Yes,
Yes.
water is life.
Yes. Okay, then that's it for today.